if you want to learn how to trade options, purchase my ebook located in the description below. If you're seeing this on TikTok, it's located in my IG bio for purchase. So how did I make $1,080 trading SPY call options? So basically on 12/20 I bought my first call option, and we're going to look at this on the daily chart, and I don't know why it's not showing up, but here on 12/20, right, you can see that SPY had broken the 50-day moving average, right? And so basically what happened was SPY had approached this little small support level around 583, right? And so what I tried to do is basically I did my best on this day, right, to catch SPY, right, when it approached that little small support level around 583. And so what I did was I tried to accumulate a little bit of call options around that area, right? And so I did that, right? But SPY SPY reached a low of 580 during the day, right? And basically I tried my best, right, to catch SPY around 583, right? And so when SPY closed, it was at 591, right? And so my position was up almost like 8 or 5%, if I recall, right? And so the next day, right, opens, right, and basically did I sell out here? Where did I sell out? So at 12:24, I'm sorry, so at 12:24 is when I sold out the position. And the reason I sold out the position was because, number one, the previous candle, which was 12:23, right, it basically maintained itself above the 50-day moving average. And basically what I was looking for was for SPY to maintain itself on the 50-day moving average. And so basically when that happened, I basically looked for the next move to see if SPY could approach, or basically first of all break the 9-day moving average. And then once it broke the 9-day moving average, I wanted to see if SPY could approach the 20-day moving average. And so when that did happen, right, on 12/24 I sold out the position, right? And then that is how I made $1,080 trading SPY call options. And this was an easy trade in a way. It wasn't that really complicated in a way. And so basically what is the strategy in a way? Basically what you want to do is take advantage when SPY is doing horrible, right? For example, right, you can see that on the daily chart, for example, right, let's say you bought a SPY call option here, right, like one single call option right here on September 3rd, right? And then you just casually wait and see like, oh, will SPY go down any further, right? And then you see, oh, like September 6th, right? You see that SPY is down all the way to from 545 all the way to 535, right? And basically what you want to do, right, is that you want to kind of pay attention to this thing right here, this percentage of your position, right? Basically what I like to do is basically step one, once I see the position down 10%, I basically buy a call option, right? And then once the position is down 10% again, I wait for my position to reach being down 20%. And once it's down 20% again, I wait for my position to be down 30%. That way I can buy another call option. And basically what I'm doing is I'm dollar cost averaging, but with options in a way. And so basically it's basically reducing my risk in a way, just trading options. Because one thing to know is that options are really dangerous in a way. And so honestly, if you're gonna back test a strategy, right, try to paper trade. Don't use real money, because it is really risky if you're gonna use your real money, right? And me, right, I'm risking it because I'm like, I have the confidence, and right, and this is more like of a, like a strategy that I'm willing to backtest and see if it's successful or not. And basically, to go back on the strategy, right, and basically what happens, right, or let's say, right, okay, so basically, let me go back. I don't want to, go back and forth, but let's say you bought a call option, right, at 535, right? Or let's say you bought it somewhere around, your first call option was at 545, and then your next call option was around 538, right? 538. So instead of your position being down maybe like 30 or 40%, right? And you bought your second call option somewhere around 538, your position will be down somewhere around, instead of being down 30 or 40%, will be down now maybe like, I don't know, maybe 15 or 20% now. And so basically you're trying to play it safe in a way, right? With trading options in a way. And basically what I learned from like this strategy is that within 30 days, SPY usually tends to manage to go up eventually. And so you can see from here, right, when we bought SPY, right, on September 3rd, if you had bought SPY, right, just there, like a singular call option there, right, and you let 30 days pass, right, where is SPY at now? SPY is all the way, instead of being here where you had bought it at 545, right, your position would be now at 560. Well, really, it reached a high on October 3rd. SPY reached a high of 567. So within 30 days, right, your position would have been in the green, like super green. And so and obviously you don't want to sell out your position once it gets close to the 30-day expiration date, because each day that passes by, right, the contract, or I guess I should say the option, decreases in value. And so basically the gist of when you're trading SPY is that the max gain that you want to make is at least a 5 or 10% gain. And that's what I've been doing recently. I've been aiming for that percentage target. If I'm feeling really confident, I'll sell out at a 20% gain. Or if I'm feeling not so confident in the trade, I'll just sell out at a 5 or 10% gain, because I do not want to risk knowing that I could have made that money there at that 5 or 10% gain, and then regret later on and be like, oh yeah, I could have sold at a 5 or 10% gain. Now I'm down like 40-50% now. And so basically that's what it is in a way, the strategy. So basically step one, buy a single SPY call option, right? Once you see that SPY is having trouble, when you see SPY is having trouble, right? But try to buy, SPY at certain support levels, or when it approaches a certain moving average, right? And then step two is to just patiently wait, right? And see if within those 30 days SPY can be sold for a 5 or 10% gain. And basically step three is just to rinse and repeat that cycle, and that's pretty much it to it, really. But I feel like I need to still back test this strategy, because I feel like it's been a month, not even a month, maybe like 3 or 2 weeks so far of back testing this strategy. So I will keep you guys updated to see what happens. So basically that is pretty much it. That is how I made $1,080 trading SPY call options. So that's pretty much it. And if you're willing, if you wanna learn this specific strategy that I'm sharing with you guys, basically just paper trade. Don't obviously risk your real money on the line, right? Don't do that, because that is really dangerous. And yeah, just don't do it. try to paper trade. Paper trade is meaning that you trade with fake money. There's some brokerages that let you trade with fake money. So that's pretty much it. If you want to learn how to trade options, purchase my ebook located in the description below. If you're watching this on TikTok, it's located in the IG bio. And so that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, this is not financial advice. I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, take care and bye.